Hi, this is Moy from Vala's Enchanted, and I have decided to pop in here quickly to give you a short tutorial on how to get started with burning incense and herbs, smoke cleansing and all that good stuff. I'm not going to be talking about beautiful and expensive setups today, or how things should be done or look. My purpose is to give you the most basic tools and knowledge that will let you figure out whether incense burning, other than sticks and cones, is for you at all, without any unnecessary costs. If you are a beginner and want to try your hands at experiencing incenses, burning herbs and resins to enrich your practice, and or to enjoy beautiful natural scents but don't know where to start, welcome, you are at the right place. So, what do you need to get started the first time? Coal disc, like the ones used for shisha, hookah or water pipes. I provide one with incense bought from me, but you can get these in any well-supplied tobacco shop. A heat-resistant bowl, at least 10 centimeters in diameter. Ceramic or porcelain will do, basically any cereal type bowl will do. Rock salt, any kind you can find cheap in the grocery store, the more coarse the better, but to start you can use the kitchen salt you have at home. Fill your bowl with salt. The salt will act to isolate the bowl and the surroundings from the heat of the coal. The bigger the bowl and the more salt, the less chance there is the bowl will get hot. However, there is no need to go with anything bigger than 500 milliliters and a half a kilogram of salt. Just make sure table or surface is protected and be cautious when touching the bowl just in case. Metal kitchen pincers or tongs. I have done it with a simple fork, but for safety reasons I would not recommend. The pincers I use in this video are plastic and are not really suitable, but I'm willing to part with them after I'm done with the tutorial, so if you are willing to do the same, please go ahead and use those as well. You can of course use this kind of pincers, which is traditional in use with tobacco pipes, water pipes and hookahs. It should come cheap in any kind of, again, well-supplied tobacco shop. Incense. To start, many kitchen spices will do, if you don't want to invest in special resins or blends. Cloves smell wonderful, as does cinnamon, coriander or cardamom. Take and hold the charcoal disc with the kitchen tongs. This is to protect you and your hand from the heat of the fire while lighting the coal. Never hold the coal in your fingers while lighting it. As I mentioned, if you don't have pincers or tongs, you can, for example, hold the coal on a fork or a metal spatula and light it that way, but that isn't really safe. Finally, you will need a lighter or a candle to set your coal ablaze. Once your coal is lit, place it in the middle of the bowl on the salt and you can start sprinkling incense on it and playing. And that's it! There is no need to go out of your way to buy anything special, to simply try your hand at burning incense. So what next? Of course, this setup is not ideal long term, neither your bowl nor pincers are made to handle heat, and with long term use, they will show wear. The kitchen salt will harden and stop being loose due to the heat, but that will not impact the insulation properties too much. If and when you find out whether incense is for you, you may slowly build up to acquire more permanent setup that will please your eyes and fit your practice, and to keep you safe. I would first invest in special tongs made for handling coals and then into a heat-resistant bowl. Special salts, decorative sands, and all other adornments are purely optional. Be safe and enjoy the wondrous world of natural scents and fumes. This is Vala from Vala's Perfumery, and I wish you a great day. See you in the next video.